guys! Thank you so much for tuning in again. Today we are going to be creating this amazing look on this fabulous girl, Abigail. We were inspired by like all things 60, Velvet Underground, Nico, Factory Girl, all of that. And I also want to be showcasing this incredible range of brushes by Tashpops. And I'm going to be using these brushes to create this look today. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed our little video today, and if you enjoyed it, please hit subscribe so you can see more of what we get up to.